Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I have 3 DIYs for you today and I hope you enjoy them. If you do, please hit the like button. Leave me a comment if you want to have any questions or just want to talk about anything. And subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified anytime I have a new DIY. I wasn't going to give in to the fall decor because it was like 100 degrees out, but the weather's finally broken and I'm starting to get in the mood. The first thing I do is sand this down. I'm making a wooden table runner. And then I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint it white and distress it a little bit after I paint it. The paint sticks much better to your wood if you sand it down and make sure it's nice and clean. So after I sand it down, I wipe it real good and make sure all the dust is off. So now I'm going to paint the top and the sides and then let that dry. So now I'm going to paint the bottom of my runner. I added these 2 little rectangle legs, if you want to call them, to raise it up off the table. As I'm letting this dry, hi Rosie, say hi like you usually do. As I'm letting it dry, we're going to start our second project. We're going to cut some 6 by 1 inch strips of burlap and a drop cloth. I can't tell you how many strips I cut, but I just cut a bunch of them. I bought this new little tool from Walmart. I'll tell you, this is the best thing you'll ever buy. This makes life so much easier. Oh my goodness. Now I'm cutting the burlap, same thing, 6 by 1 inch. And then we're gonna tie them in a little knot on a wreath. While I'm cutting this and while you're watching this, I just want to make an announcement. I was having a giveaway of a bunch of Dollar Tree holiday decor, and I was supposed to announce it last Saturday. Well, I decided to extend it because I'm new and not many people commented. So I'm going to be announcing it this Saturday. Please comment. Now I'm going to be tying each strip, alternating from the burlap and the drop cloth, just in a little knot. And this takes a while, so I decided to sit down and do it. I also cut my finger on my new little cutter, so please be careful. But this is basically what you do, starting on the inner circle and just working your way out. And this is what it looks like when you're finished. How cute is that? I've been wanting to make this for a while. Now I'm going to add these Dollar Tree little pumpkins with the clips. I think they add a really cute addition to my wreath. I add 4 of them. They come 3 in a pack for $1. Now I'm going to make a cute little bow with this Dollar Tree ribbon. It's the one with the wire. And you know, I just make a double bow. I'm not that good at making bows, but hey, I did the job. So this is what my wreath looks like. How cute is that? I think it turned out so cute. Now this is how I decorated my runner for the holiday. None of this is glued on. I just laid it on there. And you can change it for Christmas. You can change it for Valentine's Day. How pretty is that? My third project is just this candle holder that I found at Goodwill for $2.99. It was a little pricey, but I thought it was really nice. So I'm painting it with some white chalk paint that I made myself. I watched a video on YouTube, of course, on how to make some chalk paint with plaster of Paris. And I was out of Waverly chalk paint, so I decided to make my own. When you're making the chalk paint, I believe it's uh, 1 part plaster of Paris to maybe 2 parts paint. I'm not quite sure. Don't quote me. Just look up the video. It's very easy. Now I'm going to decorate my candlestick. And I'm using these pumpkins and greenery from, well, leaves from Dollar Tree. Doesn't that look pretty? And again, this you can take off. I didn't glue them down, and use them, change it for each holiday. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.